guys, this is DVIJAHH and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you have landed here for the very first time. Since up hairdo and 90s hairstyles and hair gloss are suddenly back in fashion, and up hairdo, putting my hair in the bun, putting hair gloss and stuff like that has always been my style. Yes, I do not do much on the videos when I'm doing reaction video because my face looks really big and I have this complex, so I hide my face with my hair most of the time. Actually, half of the time I have my hair up in a bun or I am using my hair claws. I have so many of them and I'm going to show you how to use them. A lot of K-pop idols have been putting the hair up with a hair claw, not even in a bun, just a messy hair claw, hair updo, very 90s style, a kind of messy, still classy look. I've seen Twice do that a lot of times. I think I have a picture of Jihyo doing that in a V-Live when they were in the house, when they were in their dorm. Twice 9 also did that during the Time to Twice camping and also on the blue carpet. And people do ask me how do I do that, so it's the best thing that I can show you guys and do a video about it. Hair claws. I have a lot of hair claws. I tried my best to get a hair claw just like Nayeon and Jihyo. A lot of other idols do that too, but I'm too much into Twice, so I see them more and then I get inspired by them more. I think she had something like this. My fringes alone. So I just put my hair back and leave my fringes alone. They have grown, yes. They were bangs once upon a time. And I'm going to take the other hair back. I've already combed my hair, by the way. I don't usually comb my hair when I put my hair up. I don't know why. So I just take it into a ponytail base. I put my hair up here. Hold it. Twist. 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 And stretch. Turn and put it into. It's okay if it's not clean. I prefer it to be messy. I'll just take some more out. Let it be messy, like I don't want it. Yeah, so we just want it to look messy. I don't want it to be very clean. Yes. So it's really easy. I'll try to show it to you from behind as well, but it's really easy. Yeah, so you can also do this hairdo and look kind of classy and chic and casual, just like your K-pop idol or just like the girls on Pinterest, because they look beautiful with this hairdos. Yeah,